Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Surfshark VPN on your mobile device. We will first go through the steps for Android users, and then we will cover the process for iOS users. You can click the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN for free. Both methods are very simple and only take a few minutes. Let's begin with Android. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Surfshark VPN. When you see the Surfshark VPN app in the results, make sure it is the official app developed by Surfshark. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you will see a blue button labeled Install. Tap on that button and the app will start downloading to your device. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the app is installed, you can tap Open to launch the Surfshark VPN app for the first time. When you open the app, you will be asked to log in or create an account. If you already have a Surfshark account, enter your email and password to sign in. If you are new to Surfshark, tap the Sign Up option and follow the steps to create a new account. After signing in, the app may ask you for permission to set up a VPN connection. Tap Allow to continue. From here, you will be taken to the main screen where you can choose a server and connect. You can now start using the VPN to protect your connection and access content from different countries. Now, let's move on to the iOS method. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, the steps are very similar. Start by unlocking your device and opening the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Surfshark VPN and look for the official app from Surfshark. When you find the app, tap on it to open the app page. You will see a button that says Get. Tap on Get and confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will now begin to download and install on your iPhone or iPad. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a subscription, enter your login details and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app. After signing in, the app will request permission to set up a VPN configuration on your device. Tap Allow. You may also be asked to enter your device passcode to confirm. Once that is done, you will be taken to the Surfshark home screen. From there, you can choose a VPN server by tapping the Connect button or selecting a specific country from the list. After you are connected, your internet traffic will be protected and encrypted through the Surfshark VPN. That is how you download and install Surfshark VPN on both Android and iOS devices. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN for free.